Most people waste the next 90 days without even realizing it. They scroll, they plan, they wait for motivation. But here's the truth: no one's coming to save you. These next 90 days could either break you or rebuild you. Welcome to the discipline era. 90 days of focus, self-respect, and rebuilding the person you were meant to be. This isn't a challenge. It's a reset. You're not competing with anyone else, just the weaker version of yourself. The one who procrastinates, scrolls endlessly, and says tomorrow. For 90 days, that version dies here. Because you're about to step into your discipline era. The truth about motivation. Motivation won't last. It never does. You don't need to feel like it. You just need to start moving. Discipline isn't about energy. It's about identity. Every time you say, "I'll do it later," you tell your brain you're weak. Every time you show up anyway, you train your mind that you're in control. So for the next 90 days, stop waiting for motivation. Start collecting proof that you can be unstoppable. The plan. Here's how this works. Pick 3 pillars to rebuild your mind, your body, and your focus. 1. Mind. Read or journal for 10 minutes daily. 2. Body. Move every day. Doesn't matter how. 3. Focus. 1 deep work session daily. No phone, no distractions. That's it. No fancy planner, no hacks. Just 90 days of showing up when you don't feel like it. Simple, brutal, effective. The transformation. You'll notice something strange after 2 weeks. You'll stop negotiating with your own excuses. You'll start craving structure. You'll begin to respect yourself again. That's what discipline gives you: not success, but self-respect. The quiet power of knowing you can trust your own word. 90 days from now, you could be sharper, calmer, stronger. Or you could be in the same spot, still saying next time. The clock's already ticking.